By the fourth quarter of FY22, all output sectors have fully recovered compared to their pre-COVID levels in the corresponding quarter. In FY23, India, like other major economies, is facing a major inflationary challenge due to high global crude prices and high prices of primary commodities. In April 2022, CPI inflation was at a 95-month high of 7.8%. WPI inflation was even higher at a historic high of 15.1%. In response, the RBI raised the repo rate by 40 basis points from 4% to 4.4% in an out-of-schedule MPC meeting held on 4th May 2022. The high fuel prices and various supply-side constraints would also have an adverse growth implication for India. The RBI has revised down its FY23 real growth forecast to 7.2% from its earlier forecast of 7.8%. However, one notable silver lining is the fact that India's nominal GDP growth will exceed the real GDP growth by a substantive margin due to high implicit price deflator-based inflation. According to our estimates, India's nominal GDP growth in FY23 may be in the range of 14 to 15%, and the buoyancy of centre's gross tax revenues may be close to 1.2. This may result in a growth in centre's GTR of nearly 18%, tangibly above centre's budget estimates. The resultant additional fiscal capacity will be available to both central and state governments. This can be used to augment infrastructure investment over and above the budget estimates. Part of this capacity can also be used to reduce centre's excise duty and state VAT on petroleum products. Thus, fiscal policy can be used to minimize the adverse growth impact of the current trends while also containing inflation.